Okay, this is the 1980 Craftsman. I believe there's metal in the oil. So I'm just gonna change it and see how long it lasts. I got it out of the trash. It looked like it's probably been used, I don't know, a few years, not very long. And this will be the second lawnmower in a row I got out of the trash. Yeah, the last lawnmower we got out of the trash was complete junk, and that thing, it was junk to begin with. We used it for 5 years. This has been through a season already. I've changed the oil once, but yeah, there's definitely like metal in there, but might be break-in. I don't know. This thing seemed pretty new to begin with, but nah, it's been used for probably 3 years or something. But yeah, and then it was put up. I'm not sure exactly what year it is. I mean, it may be earlier than 1980. Alright, well, put in the comments how long you think it'll last. It looks like metallic paint right after you mixed it. Damn, man. That sucks. I bet it was ran low. Whoever had it before. Made after 1980. After they implemented some sort of safety standard. I say take the warning labels off of everything and let the problem sort itself out. Maybe it has metal dust in it now because I used Pennzoil in it, right? See what happens when you're in quarantine. You end up watching a video about an old lawnmower, right? Step here, right? Don't step here, but step here, not here, because that'd be against the new safety standard. Oh, no, wait, step here.